Hello, welcome to this demo video on our home-based security system using Zigbees and Arduinos. So let us quickly go through the components that we have here. The first component here is the PIR sensor, which is connected to this Arduino Nano here. This Arduino Nano is connected to this Zigbee here through this breakout shield. This Zigbee is a router in our configuration, and this router will communicate to its coordinator. Here's the coordinator Zigbee, which is connected to a similar breakout shield and an Arduino Nano. So once this Zigbee tells this Arduino that it has received a message which says that the motion has been detected, then this Arduino Nano tells the Zigbee to send a message to another router which is present here, as you can see, which is connected to another Arduino, which in turn will switch on the camera that we have. So the goal of our project is to detect a motion here, send it to the coordinator wirelessly, and then wirelessly switch on the camera which is present here. The camera will take a click and it will store it in the SD card which is present in the SD card which is connected to the Arduino Nano here. So let us first see how this thing works. Let's see if it detects a motion and clicks a pic. Alright, so we have connected and fired everything up. So we'll be able to see our camera capturing the image there. So here is our PIR sensor. Let's see if it detects an input there. So I moved my hand and it detected an input. I know because we have used pin number 13 here to start to detect a motion. And as soon as it did it, it said here that it has captured an image. We'll do it one more time so that I can show it to you better. Let me hold on to the camera. Okay, so it has detected and it is done and dusted. 1 second. So we'll again give it a whirl, and if you see here, second time it has captured a data, second time it has captured an image, and it is storing it in the SD card. What we'll do is once it has stored it in the SD card, we'll remove the SD card and we'll see what images it has captured. So to see what images it has captured, we will disconnect the SD card from here and we'll straightway put it in our laptop and see what it has captured. Has it captured the right images? Okay, let's see. Okay, yeah, so this was the first image that it captured, and the next time we corrected the camera. So let's see what image. Yeah, so yeah, it is a rotated image, but yes, it captured the images as soon as it detected motions and it stored it in the SD card. So the way this is working is that, let's go to some internal basics here, what we are using. So we have two router Zigbees here, and both of them are configured in AT mode because we really don't care what the destination address is. We can directly put them as 0 and they will straightway connect to the coordinator, which is an inherent property of the AT mode. But the coordinator here is in API mode. So the entire packet that a coordinator receives or it sends, it has to be in the API mode format. So we can take a quick look of what packet is being sent here. If you see the the rectangle here, this is the packet that we are generating and this is the packet that we are sending. I can give you a better view here. So if you can see this is the packet that we are sending, and the way we are encoding our coordinator to do that is using these commands. So you see we start with 7E here. Then we have a byte address, then we have the API frame type, then this is a destination address as you see here. If you go below, there's all sorts of things that we require in the API's protocol, and that's how the coordinator is communicating with its Zigbees. And so that's it. Thank you.